Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the visible facts. Click the lock icon and inspect issuer, dates, and domain. This tells you if the certificate is valid. Once done, make sure your device clock is correct. Many TLS failures are just bad time. Next, if the site uses HTTP, plan to switch to HTTPS right away. Request or install a certificate from a trusted CA, or enable automatic renewal like Let's Encrypt. These steps fix most not secure warnings quickly. Now you handle the server side. Configure 301 redirects from HTTP to HTTPS and add an HSDS header to enforce secure connections. This prevents repeat warnings. Next, install the full certificate chain including intermediate CA files. Missing intermediates cause trust errors in some browsers. Then hunt for mixed content. Update images, scripts, and styles to HTTPS or use protocol relative paths. Browsers mark pages insecure if any asset loads. Finish by testing and setting up monitoring. Run an SSL scan or check browser dev tools to confirm a clean result. This validates both chain and configuration. Then automate certificate renewals and add expiry alerts so you don't return to not secure. If warnings persist, clear caches and test across browsers and devices to isolate client-side issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if only some users see the warning, suspect an intermediate certificate or local network interception, and reissue the chain accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.